Okay, I just want to look at two different problems. They're about the same situation, but I want to solve them in different ways. So this says, what percentage of the peach will be covered after 100 hours? So I have 100 hours. That's important. And so here's our equation. And the question is, what is this 100 hours? Is it X or is it Y? If I look right here, X is the number of hours. So I'm just going to take the equation, Y equals 1.0138. And since 100 is X, I'm just going to substitute 100 in for X. Now, I'm going to need a calculator for this. So I'm going to go to the Desmos Scientific Calculator and type that exact thing. 1 parentheses. Oops. All right, we'll do it your way. 1.0138. Close that parentheses. And then to the power of 100. Yeah, to the power of is right here, this a to the b. If you click that, it gives you the exponent. Okay, so it's about 3.94. We'll call that 3.94. So here we go. So about 3.94. And that is what percent of the peach would be covered in mold after 100 hours.